it's your boy Anomaly from Sweden, and today I am going to be doing a lot of very special trade-ups for #1 floats in the world. Now this video is a bit scuffed because it's not going to be done on my account. It was supposed to, but this gentleman got trade banned, so he couldn't actually send the trade-ups to me. This gentleman is Mr. Flary. Hello, Flary.
What's up, man?
Most white person response ever. Flary is a float genius. He was tasked to source these trade-ups for me and then basically package them into individual trade-ups, send them to me, and I would pay him. Then he got banned. I think it was on the same day the skins got tradable, right?
I sent it to you, and like 4 hours later, I got banned.
That's why we're gonna do the trade-ups on his account, but he's showing it to me over Discord. So if we hit something insane, basically I'm gonna get the skins in a year, which is very nice. But before we get into the trade-ups, I'd like to thank today's video sponsor, which is Pirate Swap. Is a CS2 trading and instant sell website where you can trade your skins for others or instantly sell them safely for real money. With Pirate Swap, there's no waiting for listings to sell because you just sell the skins directly to Pirate Swap and get the money instantly without waiting. And also using code Anomaly when depositing gives you up to a 35% deposit bonus, which is really nice. So if you want to try out Pirate Swap, then please do so from the link in the description. And thank you once again, Mr. Pirate Swap, for sponsoring this video. I actually don't know exactly what trade-ups there are. I know the approximate budget. It's about $2,000 or something, right?
Yeah, 2,500, 3,000.
We're gonna start with the cheapest trade-ups, and we're going to work our way up to the final, very cool trade-up, which is basically going to be a kind of unbeatable M4 Welcome to the Jungle. But first, we're gonna start with some lower tier trade-ups to get our feet wet.
Feet wet?
Bro, I can't stop thinking about feet. The first trade-up, what's it gonna be, Flary? You know, because it's your account.
Okay, so it's a $60 trade up with a 14% chance to hit the OG Mirage collection. So that's the MP9 Hot Rod, the UMP Blaze, and the Mac 10 Amber Fade. So we only have a 5% for that #1 float Mac 10 Amber Fade.
What's the basically percent we're looking at here?
14.2% for a hit.
Dude, that's pretty good. If we don't hit anything from the Mirage collection, what do we get?
We're cooked, we're cooked.
Fuck, we're cooked. $60 trade up. Let's see, baby.
In 3, 2, 1, boom!
Oh. No!
We lost about like $50. Sorry, you lost the $50.
Fuck! What's next? What's next?
So the next one is the #1 float MP9 Rose Iron and the #1 float Nova Rising Skull.
Winter Offensive, right?
Yes, sir. 4% for the #1.
4%? That's so low! So wait, how much is this trade up cost?
This is again 50.
50? Okay.
These are all case skins, so we can still hit some good skins.
Oh, wait, so there must be hella outcomes here, right?
There's like 70 different outcomes.
This is crazy coin flip. Send it, send it.
In 3, 2, 1, boom!
That doesn't look good, I'm not gonna lie.
It's not max loss.
That's a crazy statement! You should be happy because that's not max loss. 0, 0, 0, 0. Oh my god, okay. Is it maybe in the top like 10?
It's 36.
It's 36.
Oh, this is a cool trade-up. It's again a 4% for a #1. However, this skin you cannot unbox. It's from the Huntsman collection.
4% chance for a Mac 10 curse from the Huntsman collection, which got removed due to copyright reasons with the M4 Howl. The only way to get it is through trade-ups. That's kind of sick, actually.
That sounds bugged. Is that a myth?
Is that a myth?
Anything from the Huntsman collection is very good, and it's going to be worth over $100.
Wait, you even write the explanation. This is a special trade-up. The Huntsman case after the... Motherfucker, this is like you did homework. Shit, I'm ready. Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Mac 10 Ghost!
No. Oh, thank God I didn't pay for this shit yet.
Don't worry, we're saving the luck for the final trade-up.
Yeah, surely. So which one are we doing now?
Okay, this could be the best trade-up you ever do.
You're talking like a salesman. He's lying, bro.
No, this is for the #1 float 5.7 case hardened. It could be a blue gem.
690. This is basically what we're looking for. This is mine. It's minimal wear. The float we are getting is 0.0000. So if we get 690, that has to be like thousands. Surely we can do this.
Yeah, 100%.
100% and bombastic side-eye. I saw that shit, bro.
I think we console it and we confirm it's the 5.7 handle and then see the blue.
But I just know it's gonna be some bullshit. But yeah, okay.
Have faith.
Gaben, please. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay.
Wow!
Oh. It needs to be a black triangle for arms deal.
That's not black.
Black.
Oh my god, that's a revolver. Take look. He's laughing. He's fucking laughing, bro. What's the next one, chef? What have you cooked up?
This is a 10% for the stat track #1 Zeus Olympus.
10% chance for number one. This is the best odds we had so far.
But it's a 30% for kilowatt. Anything from kilowatt is actually good.
10% chance for a new number one. I'm ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, yes! 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 Actually, we got it! Holy shit! That's number one in the world!
That's
Oh
it!
my god, wait, it's actually...
Wait, let me check.
It's number one. Or did he lie?
It's #1!
Yeah! We fucking did it! No way!
User joined your
Wait,
channel.
no way! Fury, hello?
Hello?
Bro, wait, Fury, I'll invite you to Discord. Fury. That is the number one in the world stat track Zeus that we just traded up to with a 10% chance!
Damn.
The problem is, I'll get this one in a year! So, an approximate price check for something like this, number one in the world, how much do you think it would be?
Anywhere $500 upwards. And the trade up only costed $150.
So we're actually in profit. This next trade up we're doing, what is this one for?
The #1 float USP Orion.
That's insane. That's one of my favorite USPs. Huntsman collection, also not obtainable from the case, removed with the M4 Howl. Holy.
And it's currently listed for $2,000.
So if we hit a better one, dude, you do the countdown, Fury, I believe.
16. 13.
Please, Fury.
12.
Fury listing his dating age preference.
3 to 1 go. 3 to 1 go.
Oh! No!
That one sucks.
That one, I can see that is not good.
Quad 03 is about $40, $50.
$40, $50.
No problem. I got you, bro.
Thank you, Fury. Wait, so we have 3 trade-ups left, right?
2 more.
2 more!
Fire Serpent, welcome to the jungle.
How much would the AK be?
It's going to be about $5,000 if we hit it.
And what's the chance, boss?
Okay, 5% for the AK. We don't want to hit it, but the golden coil, the other side of it, is also #1. Ocean foam is like half the trade up, so it's like 300, and I think the fillers are about together 300.
That's sounding like some fucking pretty expensive fillers, bro. Fury, you fat shit, you have fucking chips in your beard, look. If we hit this Fire Serpent, how long is it gonna stay #1?
But the current one has been unbeaten for 6 years. If we hit this, by the time I send it to you, it's still going to be #1.
Oh my god. 6 years. Oh my god. How much fucking beef jerky do you have? Okay.
5, 4, 3,
2, 1! No way! No fucking way! Yes! Oh my god! Yes! No way! Fire Serpent #1 in the world, baby! 6 years! Yes! There's no fucking way. I hit it. Holy shit. I'm fucking passing out.
It's stuck for 1 year.
Wait, didn't you say this was like $5,000?
yeah!
It's $5,000! Oh my god, 0.0600.
Yeah.
00. Click inventory.
Come on, #1.
This has been unbeaten for 6 years, and we just beat it today. This is history. Oh my, I didn't believe it when I saw it. But this is turbo edging. I'm gonna know this is in your inventory for a whole year. I'm just gonna be like every...
What the?
You fucking fat shit. By the way, if there's anyone watching this, check the description, okay? And go Flary channel and subscribe to him, okay? This goat just made history with all of us.
What about me?
All of these things are the things we had a chance of getting. Out of all of these, we hit the best possible outcome. Now, this last one doesn't really matter, but of course I want to hit it. We have one trade up left, and that's for the #1 Welcome to the Jungle M4A1S, right?
Correct. We have a 10% for the #1 Welcome to the Jungle. We have a break even, a 10% for the Op Lightning Strike. You won't lose anything. You'll lose like $100 max.
The Lightning Strike, it's not going to be #1, right?
No, it'll be like top 10, but it's
Okay.
kind of break even. You have an 80% for the Blood in the Water. You'll lose everything.
Oh! Wait, oh my god, we're trading up a Pantera Onca? Fuck, that's so expensive. How much is this whole trade up? You have listed it as 1,400 pounds.
I was taking some for himself there.
Bree says he was taking some for himself there. We have one more chance of something great. 10% chance, welcome to the jungle. 1,400 pounds? That's like
$1,700.
oh my it's like almost $2,000 then. You do the trade up, I believe.
I'm scared.
Yes!
I'm scared.
Me too!
Get it.
Come on!
Oh, fuck. 3, 2, 1.
Go! No! Okay, now we're back to how trade-ups usually are. We just lost $1,700 in one click. What's the float of this one?
That's the same float as the fire serpent.
It's a sign.
We run it back.
I'm so incredibly happy of the fire serpent. Can you send me the inspect link? It's like we have shared custody now. We're fucking. I'm paying alimony, bro. This skin has existed since 13? It must be.
I think it was 13.
Yeah, it was the first.
Nice voice crack. You fucking loser. That's 11 years, bro, and no one has ever gotten a float this good. This is the best one in 11 years. I can't believe it. Streetman, thank you very much. Brie, thank you very much. Fury. Flary, thank you so much for joining, bro. And huge shout out to Flary. He's the guy who literally made this possible. I didn't do shit except for pay for it. This man did the research, sourced the skins, did the trade-ups, got banned, and then streamed it in Discord to me. So in 1 year, I'll be getting this one. Thank you very much, Flary. Let me suck that. This is now after we stopped recording and everything. We crafted a number 2 float, the Teklu burner. So that's actually just a number 2 that we accidentally crafted.
Yeah, I didn't even realize it was number 2.
Oh shit. Okay, we take those.
Okay.